In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register flat on Airbnb 2026, step by step. Whether you're brand new to hosting or refreshing an old process, we'll walk through everything from creating your account to publishing a polished listing that guests can find. First, head to Airbnb and either sign up or log in. Complete the quick verifications, confirm your phone number and email, and be prepared to upload a government ID if prompted. Verification builds trust with guests and also unlocks key hosting features, so it's worth doing right away. Next, open the hosting section and choose Airbnb your home or get started. This launches Airbnb's guided flow for creating a new listing, and it only takes a few minutes per section if you have your details ready. You'll be asked for core property details, select the correct property type, enter a clear, short name for your flat, and set the precise location. Add the maximum number of guests you can comfortably host, along with the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Then choose the amenities you actually provide, such as Wi-Fi, air conditioning, a full kitchen, parking, a pool, a TV, or a washing machine. Accuracy here reduces guest questions and avoids surprises at check-in. Now upload photos. Strong images drive clicks and bookings. Capture each room, the bedroom, living room, bathroom, and kitchen, as well as the balcony or view, and any building amenities. Shoot in natural light, use landscape orientation, and tidy surfaces so the space looks inviting. Include at least one clear exterior or entrance photo to help guests recognize the property on arrival. Write your listing description. Explain what makes the flat special. Call out nearby attractions and describe transportation options. Clearly state house rules and check-in details. Aim for friendly and specific. For example, modern one-bedroom flat near malls and restaurants with fast Wi-Fi and free parking. Set your price, choose a nightly rate, add a fair cleaning fee, and consider discounts for longer stays. You can also turn on smart pricing, but first look at comparable listings in your area so your starting rate is competitive. Set availability. Pick the dates you want open, choose a minimum stay, and set check-in and check-out times. If you also list on other platforms, use the calendar sync to prevent double bookings. Before you go live, confirm any local requirements. Depending on where you are, you may need condo approval, a business permit, tax registration, or building permission. Check the rules now to avoid issues later. Finally, review everything and click Publish Listing. Your flat will become searchable on Airbnb and you're ready to welcome your first guests.